So to save some time, I already created a page and controller methods for assigning the users. If I go to my project, in here I create a new page with the user.jsx, which does exactly same as the permissions page, but just with some extra styles and classes. And if I go to assign user permission, it looks like this, just this, but the rest all the logics are same. We have our submit and the submit function, we have toggle users, we have our use form hook, or everything same as the permissions. And in the controller, if I go to my role and permission controller, in here I created this two method, one to display the page with role and the list of the users, and another method to assign the user to the role. First, I fetch the selected role based on the ID. Then I get the list of the users, which I get from the request. And for each user, I add them inside that role. This is the only important code in this video. So that's why I created everything. So this if you want to assign a user in a role, you just use assign role function. Then finally we return it back to the index. So if we go in here and select some users. So if I select these and click save users, I get users assigned to role successfully. And even if I refresh, the users are pre-selected. Now, let's see how we can remove a user from this role. For example, if I want to remove this user, now if I click save user and refresh, this user is all as not removed. So we want to remove them by deselected. So let's go back. Let's go to our rules and permission controller. Before this, for each first in here, I will fetch all the users that are currently in this role. So for that, I can tag users model : role, and I will pass the role name. Then I will fetch all the users. Now in here I can make a loop. So for that I can just take each and create a callback function with the user as a parameter. Then we will use the role itself. Then inside here we will just say user remove role and the role. That's it. This will remove all the users from this rule and we will add them back in here. The reason is because the user can select and deselect from the same page. So that's why we have first we remove all the users from that role, then we add them back. So let's fetch this also user. Now let's save everything, go back. Now select this one, save users, refresh. Now the user has been deselected and I can add them back.